of course, before starting, last month was a very happening month. We had our anniversary and it was celebrated across India at multiple locations. So let's just play a small video about it. Dipti, over to you.
Okay.
It was wonderful. So many people came together and it was fantastic. We had very different locations this time. Bangalore did a heritage walk. Even we did a heritage. We did a sobo walk actually, which was fantastic. Delhi people enjoyed in the mall. They had a good time. So it was different venues, but I thought absolutely enjoyed that anniversary celebration.
Yeah, with all stinking companions, with this sweat and stink. Remember in Mumbai, we were walking. It was
Ye-
amazing. Like at the end of the
Yes.
day.
Should I pay?
Yeah. Please, Dipti, go ahead, please.
Yeah.
So, a big applause to our regional ambassadors and to all of us for arranging this and for the wonderful time we all had. So, over to you, Sonam. We have got two beautiful guests out over here today. So, please introduce them.
Uh, Good morning, everyone. Am I audible?
Yes, Sonam, you are audible.
Yeah. So, for our first guest, we have Dr. Anshul Ma'am, who is founder and director of Eco Solutions. She holds a PhD in green buildings and masters in environmental architecture and planning. She's a lead fellow. She's an IGBC AP. She's an IGBC fellow, and the list goes on and on. Uh, with all her green credentials and the qualifications, she has been practicing for last 25 years and focusing majorly on green architecture, environment, and sustainability. Eco Solutions is a pioneering firm in a realm of environmental architecture, sustainable and eco-friendly practices related to green certifications, decarbonization, net zero, life cycle assessments, energy assessments, carbon monitoring and management, solar passive design, and eco land planning concept design with footprint in 7 countries and across 650 projects. Many accolades, including the LEED Fellowship title 2025 and 2022 World Green Building Council for Women in Sustainability Award runner up at Asia Pacific level and conferred upon Dr. Anshul. We welcome you, ma'am, for this session. And we also have Raji, ma'am. Uh, we call her Raji ma'am by fondness, but Raj Lakshmi Iyer ma'am. She has been passionately connecting with people to nature and their roots through Bolific designs for last 28 years with career spanning in 3 countries, Australia, India, and Singapore. She is founder, owner of Deep Roots Design India, and co-founder of MD of Living Products Private Limited in Singapore. Her work spans over 40 million square feet, blending biophilic design and human enriching landscapes. She is also an important voice in the field of biophilic design and has been a speaker on many platforms, along with being featured in magazines, TV channels, and newspapers. Raji ma'am considers it her personal calling to connect with people to nature, to enrich lives and bring joy. Recently, at the age of 50, she completed her Goldman Sachs 10K program with Best Business Plan Award at IIM Bangalore. as she firmly believes in being agile and adaptive in business. Being a founder member of the Real Women Global Community in Construction and member of Women in Real Estate, she pays forward by empowering women in construction. We welcome you, ma'am, for this session, and we are looking for a great session with you too.
So a warm welcome to our two great ladies out over here. मैं थोड़ी दबी हुई हूँ because there are too many common points in between the two. Don't make faces. So Dipti, can you put Raji and Anshul into spotlight? Yeah. So you know why I am afraid, because these are two eloquent ladies. So इनका English एकदम powerful है. Anshul is completely witty and Raji is always to the point. So I am a little bit afraid. So though I am sitting in the host seat, I am afraid today of my guests. We have till date we have talked about technical things. We have talked about business, how business has grown. We have looked at the journey of many women in our community. This time we are taking a small twist. So, Anshul and Raji, they are not just peers, or they are not just friends. Their relationship has gone beyond that. So today we are just going to take a take on this. Actually, सब लोगों को मानना पता है कि generally women don't tolerate each other. घर में भी हम देखते हैं ना, सास बहू का भी झगड़ा होता ही रहता है. So, and they all say कि okay, women look at it each other, they are envious of it. They are jealous about of each other. So let's see how their journey has changed. So something common between the two is that they are Pune based. Of course, Raji is Singapore based, but she has an office in Pune also. Anshul has an office in Pune. They both are our TRWGC award. The Real Woman Award is from the Pune chapter, and of course their careers are also quite linked, because one is a sustainable consultant and another is a landscape architect. They both have done a Goldman Sachs program, and both have got the best business plan award also out over there. So we are just going to ask and focus more on the relationship, how it has worked for them. So we start with the first question to both of you. So Anshul, can you describe in one word your relationship with Raji? One word, huh?
We are friends.
Okay. What about you, Raji?
I think it's a little bit more. I added
And not so many words, Raji. One word.
trust.
Pardon?
Trust.
Trust. Okay. Okay. So, Anshul, when did you first interact with Raji, and what was your first impression?
I'm sorry, Amita, give me a minute. I'll say good morning and welcome to all of you here. And because you guys are talking so much, I said, okay, I'll take time to listen. There are so many known faces here. And of course, our leaders are here as well. So just taking this
Leader?
moment.
Who are the leaders?
Of
Anshul?
course, you're leading today, Amita. And I am in the spotlight. I'm not able to see who all have actually joined and who have their videos on. So I'll just take this moment to say hi to everybody. And yes, coming back to your question. I'm sorry, please go back on your question once again.
Okay. So just hold on. Huh? So my
Yeah.
partner today is in the guest seat. So
Hmm.
so who else is there from the technical initiative? So can someone take a charge of the chat box, so that if there are any questions posted out there, we will have to take it at the end. Just keep a watch on that, because I will not be able to do that. Generally, Raji does it for me. So
Ask
okay.
Vijaya. She's
Vijaya
sending
is
too
there?
many
Okay, Vijaya.
emojis.
Yeah. Even Puneet, yeah, Vijaya, you will do it. But Vijaya will be a little bit partial, because she is Raji's friend. So
That's good for me. That's
Okay,
good for
then
me.
you also have to give me time. Hey, let me also be the good person. Say hi to everybody, not jump into and a big hug to all of y'all.
I know.
Because I'm a hugging kind of a person and really excited about this whole session.
yeah.
Yes.
Okay. So back to the question, Anshul. So when did you first interact with Raji, and what was your first impression about her?
So, sometime 2008-9, in BNCA college, I got to know that there's a person who's a very famous landscape architect who's coming to give a session in college, and I was like, really looking forward to कि ये कौन है देखते हैं. And then somebody came, they took the session, they went. I was like, wondering पता नहीं कौन आके गया. And then I went to the landscape department. I checked with them. How was the session? How was everything? And it was like, oh, we had Miss Raji Iyer coming. She's, based in Singapore. She's a very famous landscape architect. And I was really, having that aura about, I missed meeting Raji. But I think उसके बाद में हम लोग मिले भी, we said hi to each other, but I could not gather, okay, she's the same person that we were talking about because she was so humble and absolutely, down to earth. तो ऐसे कुछ अलग नहीं लगा. बाद में उसके जाने के बाद मुझे एक्चुअली बताया कि यही तो थी राजी अय्यर. And I was like, okay. And later on, I think the credit goes to TRW that we met. We not only met, we connected well, we connected well with great vibes. We connected well with great vibes, and we are doing great together.
So just to add in between, there's one more filler thing she forgot. We also met before COVID in Ascentive. We were all Vijaya, me, Madhulika, Niyati, Anshul. We all were part of this Ascentive group, wherein we were during COVID. We didn't know what to do. We all could have had to shut our business as a situation started. So we joined Ascentive to learn, to unlearn, and that is where I met her, and we had a session with Bharat in our office, and we invited Anshul to come. So that's when I saw her personally, like in a proper way, like just to meet her for some time and talk to her in our Pune office. That is when I met first. But to Anshul's point, yes, we actually met properly and got to know each other only after the awards, which we both missed because of the rain. We both didn't go to collect it.
Oh,
But
is it?
yeah, it was raining cats and dogs. The bridge was flooded. I think none of us could reach
Anshul came.
also.
I
We-
went from Aurangabad to receive it.
After the awards, and I gave her the award.
Okay.
So in my case, I think Abhi went from my office because I couldn't be there at that point. So after the awards, when we had the first offline meeting of TRW, and it
Yes.
was in Green Signal
Green Signal.
restaurant. I think Rashida will also remember. It has these pot kind of fencing. That's how I remember the name of the hotel. So we met there. That is when we actually sat around and got to know each other, where we are working, and that's the reason I constantly keep telling, please meet girls, please meet. Meeting in person makes a lot of difference. You get to know each other. You'll form relationships for life when you meet. Just online se nahi hota hai. You have to take effort to meet as much as possible. And it doesn't have to be a formal meeting. Kuch zarurat nahi hai. I'm in town, anybody is available, call karo. Jo aata hai, milo. But just milo. जितने लोगों से मिलना है उतना मिलो. जो भी मिल सकता है मिलो. But just do that. Keep meeting people is what I advise as well.
So, but what was so she talked me, she talked about her impression.
So when I met her, it is same, bubbly Anshul only. And always doing something goofy like this and keeping people in split. She'll have a very nice, funny way of putting everything. Okay?
Absolutely.
Even if it's the most crappiest client, she will say something that you will just laugh about that person. You'll think, "Arey, aisa bhi hota hai kya?" And what I realized when people were discussing clients, because in सबके common clients थे, and they were discussing, and I realized Madam knows how to handle clients very well. I have to take a short class from her to handle clients very well. She manages them beautifully, even if they're the crappiest people. So that is something that stuck to my head. And some people have that. She's very outward. I'm not so much. She's a more bubbly and outward kind of person. So what struck me rather that day, was that she seems to be super confident about what she says and what she does.
Okay.
That left an impression in my mind, basically. That was the first thought that I took back home that day.
You people have worked on how many projects together?
No, you cannot count it.
You cannot count that.
It's been over some years now, and we were trying to tell our office teams, can you please find out कौन से projects numbers नहीं निकाल पाए, sorry.
Okay, fine. So
quite a bit.
But which one is the most memorable to you, Rajiv? Which project?
See,
which
for
is very
me,
useful.
I think it'll be the Harita because I never in my wildest dreams thought that our product can be certified. I never thought. I was generally talking to her. I say, अरे इसका कुछ हो सकता है, like क्या कर सकते हैं, Green
Rajiv,
Pro
we will
कुछ
pause
सुना.
over there. We will go
हाँ,
to that turn later on.
ठीक है,
But
Okay.
apart from
no
Harita,
problem.
any other project? Because
Uh,
over there,
Her own
I will
office. Her own office.
no. So where you have got a very different client. So it's like client and you two are
Yes.
working as peers. So any kind of that project.
the
So,
recent project
Amita,
with
I think
Outstream
we will
one, no?
not name the client,
हाँ,
but yes,
Don't name
there
them.
were critical clients as well who really created memories for both of us as well.
So for both of you as well, okay. No, but which is close to your heart. Like you felt you people have both of you have given 100% to this project. You must be giving 100% to each project. I don't doubt about that. But working together always create different memories. So it becomes very closer to your heart. So which project stands out like that? नहीं एक
So
भी नहीं.
I think for us, there's this project we are doing outside of Pune, and very weird client. I think one of his first projects. So obviously removes all the trees on the site and tells us, but दिखा दो कि था पेड़. So he came and put छोटे छोटे पेड़ and they said दिखा दो कि पेड़ पहले से था and all, and we both had to put our foot down saying that no, this is not acceptable and we don't do such things. Because we have to go to the MOF meetings, we have to stand there and people know us. I said our credibility is more important than the fee you give us. We're happy to walk out of the project. That is exact words I used with him also. If you push us, we are out of the project. That's it.
So even I'll just add on here, Amita, there's no project called as perfect project. And there's no project that will actually take 100%. So we try our best. We try our 100%, but it is definitely up to the project team to imply that part. But both of us being very closely associated to nature in technical as well as in, I would say, for Raji's spiritual way as well. So I think we try to give our 100% to small or big or any kind of project that is coming up. And so for us, I think every project goes to the perfect level itself.
Understood. So any incident or any story you will like to share, Anshul?
So as Raji mentioned that, we both have different approaches towards our work and client, even for the same aspect. So when the client mentions us that, you have to show something which is not there on the ground. And while Raji is taking up from the landscape perspective, I'm also looking at further perspective, which is connected to environment. And apart from that, trying to add on aspects of carbon and many other things, which these developers probably will not understand at all. They want their project to be cleared. So I think a lot of arguments from all sides that we did for this project was quite interesting. And if you say memorable, I think Raji's office was a memorable project for us as well, because we both were on one side and other side was IGBC, where for a very small office of say 2000 square feet, they took 3 hours for site visit. They actually observed everything so minutely. They had taken such a big list of review, and so many other things were there which probably they miss out in big offices or where actual impact happens. So I think that was a memorable work for both of us. We were trying to convince them, boss, how this office is actually creating an impact. So
Wow.
yes.
Wow. Any funny incident? Raji हंस रही है.
No, I was just thinking when we did the office, no, we didn't know that we have to monitor the O2 levels, we have to monitor the CO2 levels, we have to monitor so many things. And her morning, हमारा office का, we used to have a Monday morning meeting, जैसा we used to have the O2 level meetings. So हर बार हर किसी को बोलना, because we had to maintain a record for I think 2 to 3 weeks, ऐसा कुछ तो बोला था. We had to maintain a record of CO2, O2. So we can't miss, एक दिन भी miss नहीं हो सकता, because they don't accept. They were pretty strict on many things. तो एक कोई मिस हुआ, किसी को भी उसको असाइन किया था, दूसरे बंदा बैकअप था. I mean, it was that was one of the things that struck me, because when it comes close to home, no, you realize how serious all this is. When you're doing for somebody else, there are people giving you data, you don't realize. But when we did this is when I kind of have a lot of respect for IGBC, a lot of respect for this whole process, and also understand why they're doing it and all that stuff. So for me, more than little funny, I feel it was a very nice, I learned a lot through the whole process. But I'm
So,
sure she's a
so the
funny
funny
person.
part here was my office team used to say, "Ma'am, उनको बोलो सब जाए office में और please 1 minute सांस मत लो, so that the CO2 levels are normal."
So,
So, of course.
yeah.
Okay.
So,
Okay.
but well, it was a normal one to do for us. But yeah, it was more than fun part of it. I think the whole process was really nice. And then we didn't have ACs in the office. We had only one at that point. And then convincing everybody, "Arey breeze aata hai idhar se, fan lagao." So there were a lot of things that we did to see to it that the office atmosphere was working without an aircon also. And then there
Okay.
were some who were used to aircon. So we had all those sessions, all that drama happening. But in the end, I think we pulled through, and everybody now is quite proud about it as well.
Okay. So, you people you knew each other through Ascentive. You had interacted briefly earlier. Then you got awarded. Then your TRWGC journey started. So, has TRWGC journey, rather TRWGC played any major impact in your journeys together? Because you are doing a lot of projects together, right? So, has it played any role in it? Anshul?
So, yes, definitely. I think whenever Raji used to come to Pune, she used to just put a message, "I'm here. So, want to meet in the evening for coffee or dinner or something like that." And I think that TRW group meet, whosoever was available, we used to go meet, talk, interact, and it was less work, more fun. It's a stress buster for all of us, actually. And I think that really helped to build the bond stronger. And second thing I would definitely mention about Raji and even Rashida for that matter, I don't know how these people started with the trend that whenever they used to come and meet us, they used to gift us some very small things. And we were so happy carrying them back home. ऐसा नहीं है कि हमारे पास नहीं है या कुछ नहीं, but just carrying something that somebody bought for you, and that thing was never a normal thing. It was always unique. So I remember Raji giving us finger rings, which were, 10 paisa, 5 paisa, or something like that. They were so beautiful. I mean, I still use it. And sometimes the earrings she used to give, tops she used to carry, they were very unique. And they were not normal. I can wear them anywhere and everywhere. And people will ask, "Arey, what is this? Very nice. Who gave you?" And I'm like, "I don't know where to find them. One of my friends gifted." And that is how, it was always banging that Raji, TRW meet में उसने मुझे ये दिया.
ये मीट का बात हुआ, लेकिन अंशुल, हाउ हैज इट हेल्प्ड इन योर प्रोफेशनल रिलेशनशिप? सो you know each other now, you know each other पीछे आगे सब कुछ पता है. So has it impacted your professional work?
Definitely. I think I'll leave that to Raji because it has tremendously affected me professionally. कभी कभी ऐसी चीजें होती हैं जो हम किसी की सुनते नहीं है, या we are not confident enough to do that. You just need somebody to tell you that. And I think professionally that has helped me. Secondly, whenever we are referring Deep Roots or Harita to anybody, I am confident that if I'm referring, she will never ever let me down. I think that's a very big part. Raji mentioned trust. It is a mutual trust and confidence है trust से ज़्यादा कि ये हो जाएगा.
Yeah, exactly. I was just going to say that. Like, if you tell Anshul to do it, she'll get it done. You know that. I don't even stress. I don't chase. I don't do anything. So I know she will get it done.
But
so
what
I think
about
this is also
on projects
developed
you are
because
working together? Has it, ऐसे होता है क्या कभी कि you say A and she knows what you are going to speak ahead? So ऐसे होता है दोनों को एक दूसरे के बारे में?
I think थोड़ा बहुत हम लोग predictable है in the sense see reactions कैसा था when I told that the client who said कि तू I mean I said I'll walk out of the project and she said क्यों छोड़ने का, रुक ना कुछ solution निकाल दे. So she will find another way of doing it in the right way. चलो then we convinced him कि तुम्हें पेड़ लगाने पड़ेंगे बाजू वाले साइड में जाके, wherever the government wants you to commit. to plant the trees that you have cut, but that is the right way to do. And then we also told him like how, you should not cut trees, what will happen. उसको, of course, वो builder mindset का था. फिर उसको भी समझाया, यहाँ से मिलते हैं, they will give you this, so इतना budget में आ जाएगा and everything, and it was all done nicely. So I guess sometimes we react slightly. I react more passionately, she'll react practically, and then we'll come up with a solution together. So we always discuss कि क्या बोलना चाहिए, because I can go one direction, she can go one also.
Yes.
So do you ever, ऐसा ये stage करते हो? Do you stage any meetings कि okay, you go in this way
हम
and
लोग
I go
discuss
this way? हाँ, do you do that?
हाँ, हम लोग कभी कभी करते भी है, good cop bad cop
When
भी करते हैं.
required. When
हाँ,
required.
when required we do good
When
cop bad cop
required?
kind of a thing.
Okay.
It's all, you have to, at the end result is what? We have to say, we have to do what we are standing for, right? We are passionate about being closer to nature, and
Fantastic.
so
I'm
be it.
liking this idea. I'm
Yeah,
liking this idea,
so be it. Like उल्टी सीधे हाथ से नहीं निकले तो उल्टे हाथ से निकालना पड़ता है, तो निकालना पड़ेगा. Like it's the end result is a good result, right? तो करना पड़ेगा.
Right.
So that is fine. I know which department she will take. So we know how to do the thing, and then I have to only tell them, this girl, she will advise you properly and all. And आपको अगर सस्ते में चाहिए तो I'll find out which is the nursery where आपको मिलेगा. So we will play the game like that and try and convince. But that was the only one of the really bad ones. Otherwise, it's going quite smooth on many of our other projects that we're working on, because उसका एक standard list रहता है. We are quite used to the list that the office sends us, and we also follow that. They also know. And एक दो points पे कभी नहीं होता है, we'll go back and tell कि नहीं हो सकता है. Then they will also find solutions to the whole thing. तो ऐसा कभी ऐसा बड़ा
ऐसे
clashes
टोकते हैं.
वगैरह
So
नहीं हुआ.
you एक दूसरे को टोकते हो आप लोग, and then do you take it
नहीं
in
रे.
that spirit?
Because at the end of it, I mean, it is for the end of it, like I said, there are certain set rules. She also has to follow certain rules for, to get your IGBC. And we can't, you can't circumvent all that. It has to be done. It has to be done. If you don't get a place, it's sometimes you have to design whether design is more important in that space or the environment has to take priority. At that point, I think it has happened only once or twice where we had to discuss कि कौन सा आगे लेके जाना चाहिए. And then the client gets involved. Then we give him the veto powers.
So,
So
but
we
how
don't
do
fight
you
with each
treat,
other.
how do you handle these disagreements? I guess Tejaswini also asked the same question. How do you handle these disagreements?
So I'll say whenever we have a disagreement, it is like, our teams have given up, and then only things come to us. And whenever things are coming to us, it is usually the thing that our employees cannot handle.
Right.
So वैसे तो कभी disagreement हुआ नहीं है. And disagreement अगर होगा भी तो I don't see any space, because जैसे कि राजी ने mention किया, there are set rules what we go with certification, but there are some set rules of nature that we should never overcome. So I think if we are simply following that, disagreement का सवाल ही नहीं आता है. Secondly, there are see, if there is a problem, there has to be a solution. There is no problem without a solution. So we just have to, look at it in the right ways and find the right option.
Okay. So
अभी कभी like Tejaswini, sorry, to your point, अभी whether design takes a priority or environment takes a priority happens in certain Bombay projects, but it's a premium site. Every inch is every square foot is in thousands of rupees. So then we have to tell the client both the options. Boss, ये दो options आपके सामने हैं. Then he will also go back internally. They will discuss and tell us what makes business sense to them. At some point, then either one of us will have to step back. So that has happened in one of our recent Bombay projects, but I guess it's good for the project. I always put project first. So for me, the project comes first. It is not about my ego, her ego, client's ego, nothing. What is good for the project is what has to go ahead. That's it. So I think
both of you believe in this principle that whatever is good for your project, you need to follow that.
Yeah.
So this is one of the principles, but your relationship has bloomed, and we can see that also when you both are speaking. So any thoughts about the reasons behind why it has bloomed? Has chemistry played any role, or your principles have played any role? Taji, would you like to take this question?
I feel because we have a common goal, right? Many of us have a very similar common goal, and we are in the same space. That helps. Like you mentioned, when you introduce us, many commonalities also between us. Personality-wise, they're slightly different. But that adds to it, right? It's a yan and yin kind of a thing. Nobody is perfect. So that is fine as well. But like I said, sometimes you click with certain people. The more you meet them, you realize that there are certain commonalities between you, and that's how it works. And I would give it to that. Just meet often when you know them. And then we have many common things also to work with. So that helped. So if
So,
some people feel in TRW also we meet, but वो click नहीं होता, it doesn't matter. Doesn't have to click with everybody. We click with somebody for sure, and sometimes it takes extra effort also. Huh?
Yeah. So, but then, sometimes you are friends, you are professional friends, right? So, do you feel anytime awkward while giving feedback, or, कि अरे, if I give a feedback, the other person might not like that kind of thing. Anshul, have you felt कि ऐसे राजी को बोलूंगी तो राजी को गुस्सा आएगा?
नहीं, राजी ने कल मुझे फोन किया और उसने मुझे धमकी दिया, अगर मेरे बारे में अच्छा नहीं बोला तो मैं देख लूंगी. See, I'm accepting it in front of everybody.
Super nonsense, this lady is young.
So,
no chance. They say everybody is laughing.
So, well, I would say the time when I first met Raji in her office, I realized that she was too direct of what she's, she wants. She was very clear. She was very honest. Okay, this I know, this I don't know. And I think she was equally inquisitive to learn and understand things and sincere enough to implement it. So whatever we were discussing, what I found is she was very true to herself and she was true to me. If somebody is, trying to fabricate things, we women are too smart to understand that. And I think that is the place where Raji and Raji का vibe clicked to me immediately. So अगर मुझे राजी को कोई feedback देना है, मैं सीधा दूंगी उसको. मैं कभी ये नहीं सोचूंगी कि what will she feel. And if she feels bad, she can come and give me a hug, no problem.
She's a very hugging person, I know, Raj.
And
Okay.
for me, I learned this along the way. When there are consultants, when there are specialists, leave the job to them. They are specialists for a particular reason. Like we are a specialist for a particular reason, right? So if people are trusting us with something, same way, if there is something in her domain, I have to trust her with that. So, I would just kind of trust. And I've been running, you all know, I run my office remote. I'm sitting in Singapore and the whole business of how many ever we've done has happened like that. I just implicitly trust people. That's it. If they have to, if I have to trust them and they'll get it done, they get it done. It happens. So, and if they have to
Nice.
give me a feedback, that's perfectly fine.
That's great. That's great to know. So actually, what clicks more to you people, a client or a project? What makes it memorable?
For me, it's project.
Okay, Raji?
I enjoy because I'm a people's person. I like to know the client a lot also. And it's both actually for me. I can't just choose between one. I have had such interesting projects as well, like when we do the Hilton, Marriotts and all, and such interesting clients on very simple projects also. So it has been fun knowing them, and I've built good relationships with all of them because I like to know a bit more about them. So it's always been fun that way. Both
Okay.
for me.
Okay.
Money was never a criteria. I'm choosing both. In my
So
case.
you people have been talking about your projects. You've been talking about, okay, so there is Vijaya only asking a question. Please be honest and tell us what is one quality you want. Vijaya, I'm asking that question later on. Please hold on. So we'll take, okay, I'll take the questions in the end only. I'll not get diverted. So actually you talked about your passion towards a project. So today's title, I guess it is very apt, shared purpose and shared success. So what does it mean to you? You people must be working, Raji must be working not only with Anshul, you might be working with other consultants also from the Real Woman Global Community. Anshul, you must be also working with other consultants. So what does this shared purpose, shared success mean to both of you?
I want to add something out here. Shared purposes are really, what you said was really very nice. When you have a shared purpose, right, the relationships, of course, bloom. But I also want to add shared dreams.
Wow.
When you have shared dreams for the other person, right, the relationships get deeper and deeper, and then they become more honest. So we had some shared dreams. I have shared dreams with Vijaya. I have shared dreams with Rashida. I have shared dreams with you also, Amita. So some people I have that shared dreams. I feel I can dream for you. It's like that. And I pushed. So I pushed her as well. She was only into the IGBC scene for a long, long time. And I kept telling her, why you're not going into the lead? Because then you can pick up international projects as well. Can you not look at lead? And she was like, no, abhi nahi, mera haath bahut bhara hai. I've got too many things to do and all. And then out of the blue, I come to know Madam has already finished. She's a lead fellow. I was so proud of what she had done. And similarly, I have a dream for Vijay also that I won't tell now because I know she's going to make it happen this year. So, I like this part. I like dreaming for others also. Same way when I told her that, can you help me? It's my dream to have an IGBC Gold office, because if I'm telling my clients to be IGBC Gold, Platinum, I need to walk the walk. I personally feel that always whenever I design also. So all our storytelling in our designs, everything is from what comes from our heart only. So pretty much, so I said, I want to walk the walk. So can you help me? This is my dream to make my office green. And then she made it happen. So I think you should add the word shared dreams also in
Sure,
relationships.
sure. So what it means to you, Anshul, shared purpose, shared success, and shared dreams.
So it is dreams, purpose, and success. So if I have to define success, for me, success is a very different definition. If you're just happy about what you have done, I think we succeed in certain things. And very frankly, and Harita doing a LCA, then following a Green Pro process was not a very critical thing for me actually, because it's a routine. We do it for so many people. And when Raji said कि ये हो सकता है क्या, होगा क्या, क्या करना होगा, it was like, absolutely हो जाएगा. But the challenge actually came from IGBC people. We have never certified anything like this. How, you can actually put this as a product. Where do we put it? Which category? So we discussed with them. And then when it came under innovative category, that such products can be taken up for, trying to help the environment in the right ways, also helping it and connecting it to indoor environmental quality, also the green footprint, also adding slight blue infrastructure to it. So that is how we could convince IGBC to take up Harita. The thing was, even the first time when I was certifying Harita, we had discussed with Raji कि ये जो material है ना, it is a plastic based material. I don't know कितना वो acceptable होगा, but let's try doing it. So we did that kind of work. But when the second Harita came up, that came up with the material that is a waste from fishing nets. So the transformation was so great here. And I was so happy to see that, okay, she's taken my word. That was not even a suggestion. हमारा सिर्फ बात हुआ था कि ये plastic है. मतलब, are we really, doing it to the 100%? But she took it to not 100, but 150% level, I would say. That not only taking the material which is eco-friendly, but also consuming the waste part of it. And this time, I was like, talking about Harita to IGBC people in one of the calls, that you don't know how this has happened. This is such a wonderful thing. You guys should replace everything at IGBC. You should take this up. And, it was a different call that I did one-to-one with the Green Pro team, trying to tell them that please make sure you are making your products more and more innovative and eco-friendly through your process also. So probably what this shared success took us to a different purpose, which was not for today, but for next generations as well. And I think this impact, what we could realize, is the real success, what actually happened. So it was not, a small impact. It was a larger impact, because it is not impacting 1, 2, 3 places, but multiple places. I think Devika is also there in the call. If I'm not wrong, I think Devika also started with her work on Harita. Devika, can you just confirm? I don't remember, but I think you were working on Harita.
Yes, ma'am. I was
है ना?
there from start to end while
Yeah,
certifying the
yeah,
product.
absolutely.
Fantastic. So Raji, one question, you changed the relationship from peers and friends to a client customer. What made you do that? Absolutely you went to a different level.
Known devil is better than unknown devil. That's why going to someone you know is better, right? And anyway, because she had done the first Harita, so we knew the second one also would be possible. And we had a very strong material, like she said. We were also very blown away when, we were searching and suddenly found this. And it's a German company that's collaborating with us on that one. And then when the office had to be done, I couldn't think of anybody else. So typically when it's in Pune, I always recommend Anshul. In Bombay, I recommend Madhulika. So this has been my formula for all our projects as well. So I asked Anshul, would you be able to do? And she said yes. And then, like she said, it's a process. So there will be a list. So we had from her office, I forgot her name, from S, it's just not coming now.
Sangeeta.
Sangeeta, yes. Constantly chasing us, and Sangeeta and Sunil from my office will coordinate, and then we would keep sending data to her. Suddenly she'll ask for this, that. ये सब चालू ही था. It took us some time to get it, but we got it eventually.
But how
So,
was it? Like, you had a tension कि अरे मैं friend है, मैं उसको अभी मेरा consultant
I,
बना रही हूँ. Will there be any
I guess
orders,
you're at
any
that
pressure?
age now.
हाँ,
I think you're at age now where we are professionals also, right? So
right.
हम दोस्त हैं, लेकिन we are professional. So it is a professional deal. If she has to get something done, she will tell us, she will scold us, she will ask for it. So
Oh wow.
I think that is perfectly fine. Same way, if I'm not happy with the delays from their team or they didn't give us anything, I would also tell. So I think it is for me. I don't like to. Like I said, I travel light. I've been telling everybody the last 2 years I'm traveling very light. I don't keep any baggages. So for me, these are baggages. I don't keep them. So if it
Okay.
has to be told, it has to be told. If I have been told, I have to action, I have to action. Finish. Topic closed.
Anshul, any pressure from Raji कि I want this to be done. So how was she? She was a taskmaster or like,
We did push.
very pushy. So how was it?
No, nothing from Raji. I am getting more tensed for Swami now. Because the process is over and somehow the certificate is yet to come from IGBC in the
Yeah.
right thing, and
Spelling
not
mistake.
Raji, but Raji's recent partner has been doing the push
Yeah.
for that. So absolutely नहीं, कुछ tension नहीं था.
But how did you feel when she approached you and she said कि okay, I want you to appoint as my consultant? What did
नहीं,
you feel?
उसने ऐसा नहीं बोला. उसने मुझे बोला ये करना है.
Okay. So करना है बोलने के बाद what were your first thoughts?
हाँ, मतलब बॉस ने बोला करना है ऐसा था वो.
अच्छा, बॉस ने बोला है करना है तो करना.
हाँ.
Okay. Anything you found that which made this easier, this rapport got developed? Anything like what you would like to share?
Yeah, definitely. So since the teams were known to each other for other projects, it was very easy for us to coordinate through. And इतना प्रॉब्लम नहीं आया because सबको पता था क्या करना है, यहाँ से ये बोलेंगे, यहाँ से ये बात करेंगे. And we just formulated one small WhatsApp group. So we were like, they were also conversing. We were aware what is happening. So I don't think so there was any challenge or gap coming in.
Okay.
Yeah.
And did you treat this project any differently? कि अरे राजी का project है. Yeah, it happened as a
I'm
regular
sorry, but
project.
I did not treat it any different. It was one of our routine projects because I think हर project में मुझे ध्यान तो डालना ही पड़ता है. I cannot leave any project. Every project is same for me. The only difference was that I mean, if we are trying to achieve something, we should not go below that level. And I will definitely try to improve on points. So हमने एक points बढ़ाने की बहुत कोशिश की हमारे end से. I wanted that अगर ये platinum होता तो बहुत अच्छा होता. But
I was
somehow
going to ask you the same question.
yeah, but I mean, we tried a lot, but I did not want her to imply any major cost into the project just to get a certification because she's also having the office on lease. And that's how, everything turned out. And we all were satisfied with the certification we got.
So which was more exciting, IGBC certification for her office or Harita?
I think it was Harita. The first Harita was quite exciting because it was going back and forth. And it was difficult for IGBC also to accept certain things, and we had to go out of the way to tell them and prove it to them.
Okay. So you mentioned, in between that since our teams had worked together, that's why this went very smoothly. So now your rapport, you both have developed a rapport. So same rapport do you see reflecting in your teams? You have
I
got
think so.
teams, right? Basically. Yeah.
It's a comfort level. Many projects are handled at that level by the teams only, pretty much. Very rarely we come to know. अरे बाद में कभी हम मिलते हैं, अरे ये प्रोजेक्ट पे तुम लोग टीम काम कर रहा है, ये कुछ हुआ, इसका कुछ पता चला, ऐसा डिस्कशन होता है. But in general, the teams are also managing themselves now. So I think we don't get pulled in unless there is some escalation, basically, or we have to step in to take a decision on something. Otherwise, they are managing. Yeah.
So, just because you both are, award winners, multiple award winners, Anshul to keeps on sweeping all awards in sustainability. I have seen that, posted. Raji is well awarded. She has been recognized in Singapore also. So, you both are recognized in Goldman Sachs also with your unique business plans. So, can you share something about it, about your business plan, business growth plan, what you proposed, and what you took back from this program and how it has influenced your business and your professional growth? I am asking this question because I remember many women from our TRWGC are going for this program, and I guess it got initiated through our community only, and many people enrolled for it. So even TRWGC played a role for you getting enrolled in the Goldman Sachs program. So hence the question. Yeah. So over to you, Raji.
Okay, so in my case, I went a little last. I think after all you, Anshul, Sheetal, they all went in the first batch, Yogini and all, but I went a little bit later. For me, something that really stuck me was I used to always say passion and purpose is equal to growth. I used to have this formula written at my desk also, but after this whole session, I added the word profit to the whole thing. So now I say passion plus purpose plus profit is equal to sustainable growth, because that's really hit me. I was 50 at that point and I was going to get into menopause. I'm going to have health issues. I'm going to have aging parents to take care of. I'm going to have multiple hats that I'll be donning. So for me, it stopped being a number game. It started being a sustainable growth thing. And I told that in my BJP also. Don't expect me to kind of double, triple and whatever. This is how I'm planning to work it on. And I am going to grow. Definitely I want to grow, but it will be at my terms, in a way so that it doesn't burn me out. For me, the sustainable growth became really important. And the profit is the amount of money I take home, because that is something that I was not keeping an eye on. I must thank Vijaya for that, who nudged me in this direction. And to take how much money you take home was very, very important, because we're closing to 50. We might have another few years, but what are you doing for yourself? Because we all tend to get invested in our businesses into, taking care of others in the business, but we try to put ourselves behind. So these were the two things. And also another important, I mean, we all remember ma'am telling us that, revenue is vanity, your profit is sanity, and your cash flow is reality. Okay, so this thing I always have written in front of my desk and never, never, ever forget that. And so that was a huge takeaway for me at that point. And also, we shouldn't use the word awkaat, but it kind of showed me, this whole program, that after so many years and such good work, the amount of money I was taking home was really bad. It was just not worth it. And I had to quickly change. I had to adapt a few things, put systems in place, empower others under me, get the second line happening, not be the bottleneck. So lot of things to action on. So it is I think I encourage everybody to do this course. Whoever can get in, please do it. It at least opens your mind to everything. And that was my takeaway. And I think I pretty much changed many things after that. And I set targets and I keep working towards it. And recently, because of my spiritual growth, it is changing in a different direction now. But I'm happy the way I'm going.
Yeah. Anshul, what about you?
So for those who don't know what is BGP, it is Business Growth Plan. I went to this cohort 19, that was immediately after Sheetal. Yogini was there with me. And I think one of the best times we lived after a long, long stress of life. It was a really wonderful break for all of us with lots of eye openers. As far as my BGP was concerned, after this entire 3 month session and lot of banging and all sort of new type of proverbs that we actually learned through this course, I realized one thing, that what I was doing, the kind of market sustainability has today is extremely vast. If I try to map my footprint on the world map, I would say each and every corner of that world map footprint will have sustainable influence. And this is where my potential lies. But being a human, it is not possible for me to reach all the places. So the first learning is define your territory, define your boundary. And the second important part was, for my business, what I was doing is I was trying to take a lead in being, a leader who is trying to promote, create awareness, and doing all sort of things, and not doing business. Okay, so that is how there was a professor who was our mentor, Professor Handa. He told me very clearly, he's a Gujarat, he's in Ahmedabad, and he told me in Gujarati, I'll just translate it, don't be too sweet, they'll eat you up. Okay, so that was a big learning for me, that I cannot be good to everybody and anybody and every time. So first learning. Second thing that I learned is you are your own block, but sometimes you need to create blocks. So I defined that this is what I am going to do. This is my scope of work. If somebody comes and tells me, can you do MEP? No, I cannot do MEP. Can you do landscape? Can you do this small terrace design for us? I cannot do it. I have understood it, and I presented that very clearly in my BGP. Yet this is my scope. I know this extremely well. Technically, I am sound in this square, and I will be doing only this. Because under sustainability, anything and everything is really becoming a trend today. It's a fashion word. And the scope is really vast. Somebody comes and says कि आप ये कर सकते हो, हाँ हमें पता है, और एक्चुअली देखा जाए तो हम कर भी सकते हैं, बट नॉट नेसेसरीली कि आपको वो करना पड़ेगा या करना चाहिए. So important to create boundaries. Second important thing I realized with my current work was sometimes it is important to take down your profit. And you realize that some unwanted work, you don't need to do that. So when you have projects which are really, causing pain to you, please remove it. Secondly, those kind of projects who are, really in need of treatment. So I took my PhD, but I'm talking like a doctor now. So the projects who need your treatment, be the painkiller for them, and try to add the multivite also to them.
Okay.
So prescribe painkillers as well as multivitamins to them. So this is
Okay.
what I'm trying to do.
Okay. Yeah. So both of you have spoken so you have given me very inspiring thoughts. Today I have to go back and look at my work plan also, my growth plan also, about kuch direction mil gaya. Okay, great. So bless you both. So everyone is happy with your discussion, and now we are entering into the rapid fire round. Both have to answer the same questions, and very fast, very quick. One word for each other.
Bubbly.
अच्छा फिर से बोलना है ये?
हाँ फिर से है. नहीं, one relationship था, ये अभी
अच्छा.
personal है. हाँ.
Passionate.
Okay. One thing you admire most about each other.
She's very humble.
Brave.
Brave. Wow. Okay. One thing you would like to change of each other.
She has to shift to Pune.
Travel light.
Travel light. Okay. What works for you? Giving feedback there and then or sleeping over it? Rajika, I know the answer, but Anshul, what?
वहीं पे सीधे मुंह सीधी बात.
सीधे मुंह सीधी बात. No,
Yes.
not to her. With everyone. Huh?
Everyone.
Okay. What about Raji? तो सीधी मुंह सीधी बात ही है.
Yeah.
Okay. So what do you call yourself? A taskmaster or a soft master?
I'm
ऐसा combine
diplomatic.
हो सकता है?
I'm diplomatic.
No, yeah. धीरे से taskmaster.
धीरे से taskmaster. Okay. So who has got checklist?
I have a checklist.
All checklist, huh? All checklist person. Okay.
Yeah.
Who is so you are impromptu or you believe in planning?
I love planning.
Planning.
Both are planning people. Okay.
Planning.
Okay. Coffee या चाय?
चाय. मसाला चाय.
Anshul coffee. Anshul the coffee.
नहीं, आजकल दूध चल रहा है.
Okay. Okay. Then one question. Who is your go-to person in TRWGC except each other and Sheetal? Sheetal तो सबका go-to person है, except Sheetal and you to each other. Who is your go-to person?
Rashida.
I go to 2-3 people.
Raji, one word. One word.
If I'll combine the words, it will be Rashida, Vijaya, Amita.
Okay. And today, if you had to give one piece of advice to clients and consultants on building relationships, because relationships matter a lot. Like, we understood that you honor each other, you do not step on each other's professions, but I try to understand also like what the other person is driving. Say, again, the point of shared dream, shared purpose, and shared success. So, what is one piece of advice you will give to our friends out over here on building relationships that can create magic?
I would say be honest, always.
So for me, there was a post by Rashida on Creative Group that there are two reasons why we don't trust people. First is we don't know them. Second is we know them.
Yes.
My advice is trust people. It doesn't matter you know them or you don't know them. You know yourself. So trust people.
Fantastic. Fantastic. Any last thoughts from both of you before we conclude the session?
इतनी जल्दी खत्म हो गया.
Arey.
I think add value to people's lives, add value to projects, add value in general to others. When you add values to others, no, you would know the miracles that happen in your life. I'm sounding very spiritual, but sorry, but I personally feel add value. If you go with that mindset to any project, any client, it will be a success for sure.
I would definitely mention yes, +1 to whatever Raji says. साथ में, when you're working together, you have a different comfort level which is already established. So try putting the other one before you. I think that really helps. And work together, when it is required. If we are, if I don't know if Sheetal would have thought कि क्या इतने सारे ladies को लेके क्या उनको संभालना है, ये करना है. Probably ये होता ही नहीं ना कुछ TRWGC. So I think it's important that we just need to walk together. It's no point being jealous of each other, because we all have different paths, we all have different roads. And जैसे कि, Raji and her spiritual journey mentions, we are not ending here. It's a long way we have to go even after this life. जो हमने नहीं देखा है, and I'm not getting into that, but जो life है, वो साथ में रहेंगे. And be happy. I think it's important to be happy. And the most important word for everybody is satisfaction. Just be satisfied. I think वो बहुत जरूरी है. कितना मतलब कहाँ पे कितना लेके कहाँ जाने वाले, कहीं कुछ नहीं जाने वाला है. So it's important you take memories.
Yeah. So what I would say as a concluding statement for our community is that trust, respect are actually bedrock for all better relationships and better projects. Thank you so much, Anshul and Raji, for joining us over here. Vijay, have you missed on any questions?
Vijaya.
No, not really. I think pretty much it's
I think there was one asking what you would like to change in the other person. I think you already asked that.
I
asked that question in rapid fire. Yeah.
Same thing. I think two of us asked, and already Amita had that question. Yeah.
Yeah. So thank you so much, both of you. It was wonderful speaking to both of you out over here.
Thanks,
and any more questions anyone wants to ask?
Swati says she wants to meet all of us in person. I'm so impressed today. Pure bliss to be here.
Come to the March event. You will meet everyone.
Yes.
And before all of you conclude, what a beautiful conversation between two friends. It was more than professionals, two friends, and I'm glad TRWGC has played some role in this beautiful friendship what both of you are having. And I personally enjoy working with both of them. And whenever we are working, we are more friends than professionals. But what a beautiful conversation and a lot of learnings. I always enjoy talking to Raji or Anshul per se. In person, meeting Anshul, we are trying from last, I think, so many months. Somehow we are not meeting, but we will meet soon. And thank you for such a honest and candid conversation.
And thanks, Sheetal, for bringing all this together for all of us. A big shout out to you.
Thank you so much. And
thanks, Amita, and the technical
yes,
team
I was coming to Amita. Amita very nicely hosted and very nice
Lovely
questions.
questions.
Yes,
Yeah.
lovely questions. At the end, I could see, Anshul getting little senti about it,
Nahi, Sheetal, there
Hey,
is nothing sentimental. I have to go and cook lunch for guests who are coming.
wow.
This lady is full drama, I'm telling you. Don't go by her. Sentimental.
Yeah, I know Anshul well. We have spent
Haan.
a lot of time together
So
during
Sheetal,
our IIM days, so I know
yes.
her in and out. So
Today I was afraid, actually. I was frightened
कुछ
because
भी.
नहीं seriously because अंशुल को कभी डंडी मीन्स क्लीन बोल्ड कर देगी ना पता ही नहीं चलेगा
बस हो गया, अभी मत
डालेगी
बोलो,
she's
अभी
so
ससुराल के
witty.
लोग आने
I'll tell
वाले
you,
थे.
she's so witty.
yes
And you'll
absolutely
always love talking to her, वो कहाँ से कुछ गुगली डालेगी, क्या बोलेगी, you
पता ही नहीं
know.
चलेगा so I was on tenterhooks today rather than both of these women
इसके लिए 2 दिन से अमिता भी डरा रही थी हम लोगों को.
कुछ डरा नहीं
But
रही थी
I just want to add before we close, we also have a shared dream for all of us in TRWR. So we all are working towards it. We want all of you all to kind of, be with us, meet often, make things happen, work together, get to know each other, so that you all can all work together and do projects together. This idea was just to encourage you all, how our relationship have bloomed.
Yes.
You all can meet and make groups and teams. Okay, so we all have shared dreams for you all also. So stay blessed and have a good weekend. Thanks, everybody.